years old. I am from Johan Bukit Jalil. My dream job is to become a car designer. Why do I want to be a car designer? Because I love cool cars, fast cars, and cars that make people say, when I grow up, I want to design cars that are super stylish and super fast and super eco-friendly to our earth too. As a car designer, I can imagine new shapes, new colors, and new ideas. Maybe flying cars, maybe talking cars, who knows. Now, let me show the tools I always use as a car designer. This pencil to draw every line, every car ideas. This ruler to make sure every line is perfect. This tablet or notebook to design new car model. And the most important tool is my brain, because great ideas come from thinking smart and never give up. To reach my dream, I study hard. I learn about science, design, and technology. I draw and build. I test my ideas until it's perfect. My family always support me, and they give me power to chase my dream. One day, people will say that car is made from Yip Jun. Thank you for listening, and remember, dream big, work hard, and chase a dream forward. Thank you.
Your